Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making leek pancakes. Let's get right to it. To start, add the hot water to the flour and mix until the hot water is fully absorbed. Then add the cold water and continue mixing. Dough flakes should form once all the water is added. Next, start to press everything together with your hand. Knead about 5 minutes until a tough dough is formed. Let rest for 30 minutes, then prepare the filling. Separate the leek stem from leaves and mince both. With heated oil in the pan, cook minced stem and add flour and salt. Stir until it forms a paste. Then knead for 1 minute to form a smooth dough. Cut the dough into 3 pieces and work on the pieces one at a time. Use your hands to shape the dough into a rectangular shape. Roll the dough to form a very thin rectangle. Add the flour oil paste and spread out the paste. Add minced leek leaves and gently roll up the dough as tightly as possible. Make a few cuts along the long side and roll up the dough stripe. Gently press the tall pancake. Roll out the pancakes when you are ready to cook. Heat up a pan with a layer of oil on the bottom. Add the pancake. Flip the pancake and cook until both sides of the pancake are browned. Then leek pancakes are ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you until next time.